Hello friends, welcome to a new video. If you are new here, my name is Jani and I am the creator behind the Aquila Creative Studio brand, where I create soaps, candles, and so much more. In today's video, we're going to be creating a candy cane soap. Now, we are not going to go with the traditional design, the red and white stripes, which is the typical design. I decided to do something different and very creative. So we are going to do kind of like a confetti soap, and we're going to do just a line underneath, a pink line instead of red. It's gonna be super cute. So here I was adding Kalouda oatmeal and Colin clay to my oils, and now I'm gonna mix it. All right, so now we're gonna add our live water. And if you've been watching me for some time now, you know I cannot wait, and I always soap at 120 because I'm a very impatient person. But today you're gonna feel proud of me. I am soaping at 107. Can you believe that? Yes, I waited. I'm very proud of me. And the reason I'm doing that is because the fragrance oil that we're gonna use today, it says that it's accelerate slightly. So you know what that means, right? I'm panicking. This is the fragrance oil that we're gonna use today from Brambleberry, and it says mild acceleration in cold process. Yes, but we're brave and we're doing this together, and everything's gonna be all right. So I didn't do a water discount for this soap, and I am soaping at a lower temperature, just, you know, to make this easier for me. And right now we're just gonna mix until emulsion. We're not gonna go for trace. This blender is super powerful, so we have to be very careful. All right, we're good. We have emulsion, and now we're going to divide our batter. One portion is going to be pink, and then the other portion is going to be white. And I'm just gonna do kind of like a line underneath, as I mentioned. So like that. All right, so to this portion we're going to add some pink mica, and this is from Brambleberry. I'll show you right here. And I want this color to be very deep. Yes, this is perfect. Look at that, how beautiful. All right, so for this specific soap we're going to use 2 ounces of the fragrance oil. So for this portion I'm just gonna eyeball it, and I'm gonna adjust a little bit. I have my mold ready right here in case we need to act fast. Here we go, guys. And this smells so delicious. Whoop, just about it. Okay, perfect. Can you tell I'm nervous? Okay. Everything okay. So we're gonna stick blend a little bit, just a tiny bit. Just because I want it to harden quickly. Hey Brambleberry, stop playing with my feelings. Can't do that. No. Okay, so we're good. And we're going to add our layer. This color looks so pretty. All right, we're going to put this aside while it hardens a little bit. I'm gonna go clean my stick blender, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just cleaned my stick blender, and while the first layer is drying and it's getting harder, I'm gonna show you what we're going to put inside our soap today, which is super fun. These are soap shavings. And how did I make them? Well, today is a Brambleberry day because almost everything that we used for this soap is from Brambleberry. I used this Brambleberry Low Sweat Melt and Pour, and it's the color white, it's in white. And I made some square soaps. I added some mica in the colors that I wanted. I have teal, pink, and yellow, and then I let them dry, and then I used my grater. I used a grater and I made these shavings. Now I've seen some people asking if you can use melt and pour with cold process soap. The answer is yes. You can put it inside, you can put it on top. The only thing is sometimes when you make embeds with melt and pour, they can sweat. They don't look pretty when they sweat. And that's why Brambleberry has the low sweat melt and pour base. It has less glycerin content, therefore it doesn't sweat as much as regular melt and pour. So we can also use it inside the soap. All right, so that's what we're gonna do today. And let me just check on. So this is what we want. Oh, I'm sorry, you're shaking with me. Okay, it's almost there. Still needs a little bit of time. So we're just going to add our shavings, and in here I have, in here I have some titanium dioxide with white mica. So we're gonna add that and see if that's enough, because I want it to be very, very white. I'm just gonna whisk. Looks pretty, but let me add a little bit more of this. And before I forget, I want to clarify something. I've been receiving some comments in one of my videos of people saying that they were expecting to have like the recipe measurements and stuff like that. Like they thought my videos were going to be more informative. And I just want to clarify that my videos are not meant to be tutorials or a class or anything like that. I'm just sharing my process with you guys, and I hope that that helps you with your, your creative journey, because it's just, all about inspiration. I'm just looking to share my process with you, have fun, talk to you, and inspire you. But no, by any means, my videos are not meant to be tutorials. If you want to learn more about recipes and stuff like that, you can head over to brambleberry.com. They have a bunch of resources, and my recipe is from Brambleberry, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description box with the information. But yes, no, these are not meant to be tutorials. All right, I recommend Brambleberry's recipes. I'm not responsible of your outcome either, so just have that in mind. We're here to have fun. All right, to share ideas, to share resources and stuff like that. This is so fun. I feel like I'm making like a cake. Fun. All right, so we're gonna mix this, and we're gonna see if that's enough. Looks like cake batter. So cute. Super cute. You can add as much of the shavings as you like. I think for me this looks very nice. Okay, and let's not forget about the fragrance oil. Right? I was ready to pour. Okay, fragrance oil. So we're gonna add the whole thing. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. So, have in mind that titanium dioxide also accelerates your batter. Looks like cake. Cakey. And then this fragrance oil does not discolor, so it's supposed to stay the same color. All right, so it's looking nice. Let's just pour. And I'm gonna put a spatula just in case. Smells so good. I am so excited about this soap. And add the whole thing. And the top, how are we gonna do the top? Well, I was thinking of sprinkles, but then I was like, well, maybe I can add shavings to the top, you know. So let's figure that out together. Just add the rest. And you don't have to use the same colors as me. You can get creative. And maybe you can do, if you want to do like the traditional way, you can do like a red soap with white shavings. Or you can even create some ambits that looks like the candy cane. All right. It looks so good. So now I'm gonna wait for the batter to get a little bit thicker so we can texture it and decorate it. All right, so I guess I'm ready. Let's see. Yep, very nice. So I'm just gonna do kind of a very simple pattern, but I wanted to have kind of like a triangle shape. So I'm gonna do this. And then we're gonna do the same to the other side. Tell me guys, how are you today? Let me know in the comments. What are you doing? Let's start a conversation. Okay, so here it is. And now, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Do we add some sprinkles? I even think I can leave it like that and just add glitter. Just when I cut it, it's gonna look super cute. I decided I'm just gonna add some snowflakes on the top like this. They are super cute. Yeah, good choice. Just in the middle or wherever they want to fall. So hard with gloves. Okay, let me know in the comments if it's cold already where you live. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and it's getting a little bit cold. I love cold weather. I am Puerto Rican, which means I'm supposed to love and be okay with melting and being in hot weather, but I'm not. I don't like hot weather. It's, you know, Puerto Rico's very humid and you stink. You sweat a lot. Oh, your hair gets all messed up. So nah, I prefer cold weather. I love it here, you guys. And the fall is so beautiful. Trees start changing colors. It's just beautiful. Puerto Rico, we have summer all year, which some people love, but I am in love with the seasons and seeing how everything changes. Here I'm adding some glitter, very subtle. And I think I'm going to do a couple of the mermaid trails, I think it's the name. Yeah, the mica ones. These are very sparkly. Oh my god, yes. I am so excited. I cannot wait to cut this. Well guys, I think it's fine. It's looking so pretty and delicate like this. So we're going to wait 24 hours, and after 24 hours we are going to cut it together.